In this video, let's quickly dive into the way that you can fix the Facebook Marketplace not working. Now, for some reason, if Marketplace is not showing up on this navigation bar on the top, in most cases that simply means that it has been removed from this section. So to enable it back, what you can do is tap on the hamburger menu on the top left of the screen from your profile section. But however, you will also be able to see the Marketplace option right here inside of shortcuts. If you're still missing this option of Marketplace, what you can do is head over to settings and then just search for tab bar. Once you search for tab bar, you can just tap open this option and right here go to customize the bar and make sure that the Marketplace option is selected to pin or auto. As soon as you do that and as soon as you head back to your profile, you'd be able to see the option of Marketplace displaying right here on the top. Now, if this is not the issue for you, what you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available on the Facebook app. So just head over to the Play Store, search for Facebook. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. The other thing that you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your phone and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of glitches which might be causing this issue is now fixed. Lastly, what you can also try out is try to restart your phone by tapping and holding the power button and ensure that any glitches on your phone is also solved out. By following these couple of steps, you should be able to now fix the Facebook Marketplace not working issue.